How to add items to cart on Wayfair. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add an item to your cart on Wayfair. To do so is very simple. Now, the first step is logging into your account, and then on my account page, as you can see on my screen, by the right side you can see my cart icon, and then you can see that I have 4 items in this particular cart of mine. And so for you, if you want to do something like this, all you need to do, the first step is, first of all, browse through the site and check out products that you would like to get. So for example, I want to get garden accent, and that's the category I want to work under. And then you can just move to the left side to filter out your search, or you can maintain this particular search that you are looking at or you're seeing. And so once you found the one you want, all you need to do is to click on it, and after clicking on it, you'll be taken to the products page. And so once you're on the products page, move to the left side of the screen, move to the right side of the screen, where you can see details about the products. You can see the color, you can see the size. Note that you can edit this depending on the one you want, and then if you want to get more than one, you can add 2. Then move to the right side here and click on add to cart. All right, as you can see, it's showing adding, and then after that you can see it has now been added to my cart. So you can just move to the bottom part of the screen here and click on the review full cart, and you'll be taken to the full page where you can check out your cart and you can see details about your cart. And so if you're ready to pay for any of these, move to the right side, click on proceed to checkout, and you'll be able to get all of this. So this is how you can add items to cart on Wayfair. It is very simple, so try them out. All right, thank you for watching.